Hi everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today, this tutorial we will learn how to handle authentication in Apache JMeter. Whether it's basic authentication or token-based, JMeter provides simple ways to handle it. And one of the key components we will look is the HTTP authorization path. So let's begin. Copy this complete URL of a Chrome browser and hit this URL. As you can view on open this URL, we need to provide the authentication. We need to enter the username and password. In the some website, we need to provide the authentication, then we can handle the application. So you can view, we need to enter the username and password. After authentication, we can access this website. Open JMeter and add here thread group. First add the thread group. In the thread group, add the number of threads, ramp up periods, and lookout. Add sampler for enter the HTTP request. In the HTTP request, we need to enter the protocol server name, port, and this is the method. HTTP request method, get, host, put, delete. These are the methods, and then we need to provide the path here. So as you can view, this is the protocol and this is the URL. After the URL, this is the path. Enter protocol there HTTPS and then enter the server name or IP. This is the server name or IP. After enter the server name or IP, we need to enter the path here. Open this complete path and enter path here. Now we configure the HTTP request. We can change the HTTP request name here. Basic authentication and now add the listener here for view the result. We can add the view result tree summary report. These all the listers are available in JMeter. For now, click on view result tree. Now, first we will see what happen if we do not provide any username and password. So run the test. It will ask for save your test plan before running it. Click on yes. Now enter the test plan and authentication. Click on save. We can view here unauthorized response messages. Unauthorized in the request, we can give the get method and the protocol is HTTPS. After the protocol, this is the complete URL. In the response header, we can view access control, allow credentials true. Now, we need to add the HTTP authorization manager. HTTP authorization manager in JMeter is used to provide login credentials for request that requires authentication. You can set the username, password, and domain name for a particular server or URL. Also configure JMeter automatically includes these credentials in your request. No need to manually add them each step. So add the HTTP authorization, right click on thread group, config element, and here you can view HTTP authorization manager. In the HTTP authorization manager, we need to enter the bins URL, username, password, and mechanism. Click on add. Now, here enter the base URL. This is the base URL. Enter the complete base URL here. After enter the base URL, we need to enter the username and password. Enter username user and then enter the password EASSWD and then click on this basic underscore digest. Let's run the test and see what happens. First, clear all the results. Move here before this request HTTP authorization lecture. Let's run the test. First, clear all the results and click on run. Now, we can view the result here in listeners. First, we can view the request and the response data. Now, you can view in the response data authenticated true, and this is the user. In the response headers we can view the content type, content connection, and the server. In the request, this is the method. HTTPS is the protocol and complete URL of the application. As we enter the invalid data in the password, we will get some error. Let's again run the test. In this scenario, we will get the unauthorized because we are sending the request with invalid password. Request is sending. You can add the multiple users and you can send the request by using dataset config. In previous tutorials, I have already explained about the dataset config. In the real scenarios, you need to send the multiple request. Suppose you want to send the request with 100 users. So you need to use the dataset config. You can check out this video. I have explained in the detail. Now, in the response data, you can view we are getting unauthorized because enter the invalid password here. Let's change to the password pair and again run the test. Now open the view result tree and here we can view the success message, response code 200, response message okay. That's all for today's tutorial on handling authentication in JMeter. I hope you found it helpful. It's a powerful and time-saving component for testing secure API. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.